Slovenia is such an amazing wealth of culture that when people come to Slovenia, I always tell them it's a country of 2 million people with enough culture for 200 million. And I think that's true. And I think it's a country that Americans and Slovenians can come together and say, you know, we value these things. These are very important to us. And we can come together over our shared belief that culture is an important part of who we are as a people. And that's who we are as Americans, and that's who you are as Slovenians.
Well, hello, or Dober dan, I believe is what we're saying here. We are Museums Unbound. We are a museum professional development consultancy from the United States.
We have spent the week here in Slovenia, and we have seen nothing but determination and variety in the amount of culture and ways of exploring culture in Slovenia. Not only is it a beautiful country in its natural resources, but the museums here have really impressed us on how they have gone above and beyond to share their stories, all the culture you have here in Slovenia, to the public.
We've learned a lot from Hannah and Jody, and I have to say that at our museum we've already started to think how we can use the things they showed us, because it was very useful, very fresh, and we are very excited about using all the things.
Moram reči, da mi je všeč ta odprtost razmišljanja oziroma drugačen pristop, predvsem pa to, da začnemo gledati muzej out of the box, se pravi, da se pogleda tiste strani, ki jih ponavadi kustosi, muzealci ne vidimo.
We have learned a lot. In our workshops, we're supposed to be the ones giving the workshops. We've really learned a lot.
We were learning the whole time.
Yes, and we are going to come back full of stories, and we're going to introduce the United States to some of the things we have learned about in Slovenia. I think particularly tuna pizza.
We don't have tuna pizza in the United States.
We've been suffering all these years.
These years.
We're going to bring that back. That and lots of great
stories
and
about a million pictures that are going to blow everyone's minds at just how wonderful and beautiful Slovenia is.